Introducing the NewAir G7 III Deluxe Garage Heater, an innovative electrical heating system that has stood the test of time as one of the best reviewed and most trusted systems on the market. Ordinary heaters work by burning gas, which can be dangerous and needs to be regularly serviced to avoid the risk of fire, not to mention the added risk of exposure to toxic vapors. The G7 III uses electricity, so there are no flammable materials and it's maintenance-free. The unique grid design and fan-forced heating allows for even distribution of the warm air, and it's equipped with a safety feature that will automatically shut off if the unit gets close to overheating. The G7 III has been one of the best reviewed heaters on the market for nearly a decade. People love that its built-in thermostat keeps the temperature accurate, and people are especially impressed that for such a small size, it has so much power. Whether for your garage, workshop, man cave, or game room, the NewAir G7 III is the time-tested heating system you can trust. Don't let cold weather keep you from your hobbies. Stay warm and content. For dependability and innovation, you can count on NewAir.